Tarun commands to pledge. Pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of his state and worthy heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be Ampers Patel, Alam lies, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today, international and national news is brought to you by AR Shah. International news. UN unveils Economic Day against Iran wars. National news. Flight diversion. Waterlogging in New Delhi has heavy rains. Thank you.
Everyone, today what is brought by G. Karthik? Innovation. The new I spell it INNOVATION. Innovation, a new idea or method that makes life better. Thank you.
A very happy morning to everyone. I am G. Harshad of Grade IX TOPAZ. Today I am here to present state and sport news. State news. Telangana government to utilize advanced tech in health implementation of employees. Sport news. Dhruv Jurel hits a century has India dominated Sri Lanka, while Indian men's hockey team was exited from the World Cup semi-final race after losing with Argentina. Thank you. Have an amazing day.
Good morning to everyone. Today's start is brought to you by UK Bonus Sagar. A positive mind can hide and take strong determination can take you anywhere. I repeat again. A positive mind is a heart kind and strong determination can take you anywhere. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. I am Nishit of Grade IX TOPAZ. Here to ask GK questions. Question for Grade 7. What is the main component of the sun? I repeat my question. What is the main component of the sun? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And answer is hydrogen. Question for Grade 8. Which is subatomic particle has no electric charge?
Neutron.
Yes, you picked the right answer. And answer is neutron. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. What is absolute zero in degrees Celsius? I repeat once again. What is absolute zero in degrees Celsius? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Question for Grade 10. What is the pH of a neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius? I repeat once again. What is the pH of neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 7. Let us all appreciate them. Open question number 1. What is the SI unit of speed?
Meter per second.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is meter per second. Let us all appreciate them. Thank you.